Ito guys, oh, purple na mais. Kinuha natin, oh. Tinanim ko dito. Order ko ito sa Shopee. This is a corn purple. This is my farm here in Camp. The bitter gourd is very much fruit. The variety is Galaxy Max F1. So very much fruits. This is my gardening farm here. Very much fruits. Now the age is 2 months. 2 months. The age is 2 months. It's bitter gourd. Starting to harvest. Harvesting now. 3 harvesting. 3 harvest now. This is a cucumber. Oh, cucumber. Very much fruit. Very healthy. The gardening is very healthy. Oh. Very healthy. Much fruit. This cucumber is starting to fruit now. So maybe I'm selection here 3 harvest. But now start fully fruit. So maybe tomorrow I will harvest again. Every 3 days harvest. And also the bitter gourd. Every 3 days. Starting to harvest, the age is 1 month and a half. Now is 2 months. So 15 days harvest straight. Ito. Cucumber. This is watermelon. The variety is Sugar Deluxe. Yellow is color. Yellow is color. Now it's starting to fruiting stage. Look at this. It's starting to flowering and also fruiting.